Okay, Mama. How? So this is what you bought, right? Let me see the box. You see? This is nice, right? You see what it says? It says creativity for kids. Creativity for kids. Going glow. Okay. What does it do? Like during the day, does it? What does it do during the day and at night?
It glows.
That's the. How did you make it?
Red with the
Let me see. You bought the sand. It came together with the sand, and then so now what happened? How long does it take to grow?
It says 4 days to do this.
4 weeks.
No, 4 days to do this.
Oh, it's gonna grow in 4 days.
It's gonna start to grow.
Does it shine at night? It says it. You see, the board says glows in the dark. See? So now you're gonna put the cover in. You can put the cover. You already put water. So how many days? How many times you gonna put water?
Once a day.
Once a day? Okay, now